Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Excel Shortcuts cheat sheet is probably one of the most time-saving tools for anyone working with spreadsheets, and mastering these shortcuts can dramatically increase your efficiency and productivity, allowing you to accomplish tasks faster and focus on more important aspects of your work, ultimately saving you valuable time and effort in your daily workflow. Number 5. Excel Shortcut Keys Mouse Pad. It's got plenty of room for your laptop and mouse, perfect for work or gaming. Its large surface area ensures you have ample space to spread out. This mousepad includes a comprehensive list of commonly used Microsoft Excel shortcuts. You'll find useful tricks and formulas right at your fingertips. Everything is neatly organized into groups like navigation, formatting, and data functions, making it easy to find what you need quickly. It even includes desk exercise diagrams for quick breaks when you're working hard. It's both practical and fun to use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, it will help you become more efficient with Excel. It's a great tool for anyone looking to improve their skills. The soft fabric and stitched edges provide a smooth and comfortable surface for your mouse. You'll enjoy accurate and fast mouse movements. It's made with high-quality materials and inks, so the print will stay sharp and vibrant even after many cleanings. It's built to last. What we like. It has a large surface, covering your laptop and mouse. It includes a huge number of shortcuts and formulas. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. If you need a comprehensive guide and prefer a large, comfortable workspace, this is perfect for you. What people say. The printing is vibrant and easy to read, the desk pad is pretty thick and feels good quality. The mouse pad boasts a large, extended design that provides ample space for both your mouse and keyboard. The pad is made of high-quality materials that ensure durability and a comfortable feel under your wrists. The print is clear and well organized, making it easy to find the shortcut you need at a glance. The Excel Shortcut Keys mouse pad, and I found it to be an excellent addition to my workspace. The extended size provides ample space for both my mouse and keyboard, enhancing comfort during long hours of work. The clear and comprehensive shortcut guide printed on the pad has been invaluable, allowing me to quickly reference commands and improve my efficiency in Excel. The non-slip stitched edge ensures the pad stays securely in place, and the durable construction has held up well over time. Number 4. Synerlogic Shortcut Stickers. This keyboard sticker gives you the most important shortcuts right where you need them. No more searching online, it's all right there. Learn new shortcuts quickly and boost your workflow. It's perfect for everyone, no matter your skill level. Made with durable, military-grade vinyl, it looks great and will last. We're confident you'll love it. It's compatible with any laptop or desktop running Windows 10 or 11. Easy to use, regardless of your computer brand. Synerlogic designed and produced this sticker in the United States. We stand behind our product and our customers. What we like. It provides all the key shortcuts you need. It helps you work more efficiently. It's made of durable, high-quality materials. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to improve your workflow, this is the one for you. What people say. I really like this, it's compact and gets straight to the point. I keep it on my laptop for quick reference when I need it. I also appreciate the color-coded layout, it's clear and easy to read. This Word Excel shortcut sticker is so handy and looks great on my laptop. It was very easy to apply and has not curled or peeled over the past weeks. I love having these hints right at my fingertips, what a time saver. Product arrived well packaged. It's exactly as advertised. Placement was easy to peel off as well to move it around without damaging the sticker. Leaves no residue behind but sticks very well. Size fits just right on the bottom side of my laptop keyboard area. Number 3. Microsoft Excel Shortcut Card. This laminated card is your key to mastering Microsoft Excel. It provides quick access to over 200 essential keyboard shortcuts, boosting your productivity. One side is dedicated to Windows shortcuts. Find the commands you use most often and learn how to use them efficiently. The other side shows equivalent shortcuts for Mac users. It's designed for seamless use across platforms. The side-by-side layout makes it easy to compare shortcuts between Windows and Mac. This helps you quickly adapt to either operating system. Its laminated construction ensures durability, making it perfect for everyday use. It's also lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere. Stop wasting time searching for commands. It puts all the shortcuts you need right at your fingertips, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like. This offers over 200 shortcuts for both Windows and Mac users. Its laminated construction ensures durability. If you need a quick reference guide for both operating systems, this is your best bet. What people say. This product helps me a lot at work. It groups all Excel shortcuts Windows, green, and Mac, blue. It helps me to reduce turnaround time when I send my daily reports. Information is available elsewhere, but this puts it in a nice concise format that you can leave inside your laptop and it's always available. For Excel users, this is a very good reference guide and a must-have cheat sheet, versus the thick book. Durable and easy to take along in the briefcase. Number 2. Excel 2016 Advanced Guide. Welcome to the Excel 2016 Advanced Guide. This guide will help you master advanced features and macros. Learn time-saving shortcuts to boost your productivity. It's all about efficiency and speed. Discover the power of macros to automate tasks and streamline your workflow. It will transform how you work. Unlock the secrets of advanced formulas and functions. Take your data analysis to the next level. Learn powerful techniques for analyzing and interpreting data. It's all about extracting valuable insights. See how these techniques are used in real-world scenarios. It makes learning practical and relevant. Learn how to solve common problems and overcome challenges. It's your go-to guide for solutions. What we like. It focuses on advanced Excel features and macros. It's a laminated card for durability. If you're working with advanced Excel features and macros, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Good reference for the program, gets you to where you want to go, info-wise. I like having a quick cheat sheet around. For a self-taught Excel user, sometimes stuff happens and you don't have the time to look through a massive volume reference book. Having a quick most used in the office home cheat sheet is so helpful for me. It might not work for others, but it helps me remember functions I haven't done in a while. Tons of information packed into this laminated reference. Fits well into a binder. Great resource. Number 1. Excel 365 Quick Guide. Welcome to the Excel 365 Quick Guide. This handy reference will help you master essential features quickly and easily. Let's get started. Creating and managing tables in Excel is a breeze. It helps you organize your data efficiently and effectively. Learn how to leverage its power. Unlock the secrets of pivot tables. They allow you to summarize, analyze, explore, and present your data in meaningful ways. Discover how to use them. Effortlessly sort and filter your data to find exactly what you need. It saves you time and makes data analysis much simpler. Let's explore these functions. This guide is packed with time-saving tips and keyboard shortcuts. It will boost your productivity and make working with Excel a joy. Check them out. This laminated card is designed to withstand daily use. It's the perfect companion for your work, keeping information readily available. Keep it handy. What we like. It's designed for working with tables, pivot tables, sorting, and filtering data. It's a laminated card for durability. If you frequently work with these Excel features, this is the perfect option for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.